Good morning. All right. Well, after a couple rainy and snowy days, you can still see some snow up there in the mountains. It'll mostly melt today, though, I think. Everything's dried out a little bit, so this morning I got started setting up for doing sheathing. So, as you can see here, I've got my control line set up. I used the sight laser and the laser reader and just got me a level control line across the building. I didn't want to just go off the foundation because the foundation is not perfect. So I'll bring our first row of sheathing right up to that line all the way across, and then all the successive rows after that can go on top of that, and everything should come out nice and level. So I'll use that same line going all the way around the building. I'll just set it up one wall at a time, so everything hopefully goes fairly smooth. Weather is nice and cool, so that's good. Sheathing is a little bit heavy, so I'd rather it be cool than hot out here. It's ready to go. Alright, time to stop for second lunch, but I've got 2 walls done. Coming along just fine. I think it's going to work out pretty good doing it by myself this way. So, after I eat, I'll come back and finish off this bottom row, and then hopefully get started on the second row. We'll see how far I get today. But, pretty nice day out. right, last sheet of the day, and last sheet until, well, I gotta do the front. A few sheets on the front, and then we'll do roof. There we go. Another beautiful day. A lot of work done. All right. Today, first thing I gotta do is get these straps put up on this front wall, and then we'll get the sheathing on it. I'll show you what I'm doing here. So we've got 6 of these to put on. And what these do is these will connect the beam. One strap goes right about there, connecting the beam to that double post, double stud post, and then another one at the very end there where there's a double stud. Same thing on this side, and then we do one on each side of the garage door opening on the inside. So 6 of them put up. I gotta hand nail these because I don't have a positive placement nail gun, but so it'll probably take a little while, but we'll get it done and then get the sheathing up on this front wall, and we're ready for trusses pretty much. I guess I'll cut out these doors and these 2 windows on the side too. Maybe I'll cut out those ones in the back, we'll see. Okay, got the first 2 on. Now I gotta move scaffolding over to the other corner and do those 2, and then I'll do the inside too. But yeah, all driven with, let's see, I think it's 28 or 29 16 penny nails. That's 3.5 inch. So hopefully, makes us go a little quick. It's tiring real quick hammering all these in. All right, we got all 4 on the front. All 16 penny nails in them. So we're good on that side. I can go ahead and do the sheathing now. I'll wait and do the 2 straps on the inside later. I'm a little tired of hammering stuff at the moment. So we'll get the sheathing on up to the same point as the other walls, leaving that last row for once we get the trusses on, because they'll overlap the trusses a little bit, and we'll go from there.